Bom dia. My name is Chris Steuer from Millersville University. My colleague Gil Brown and I had hoped to be there with you today, but unfortunately we weren't able to make it to the conference. Despite that, we still wanted to share some information about what we're doing at Millersville University to advance the global goals for sustainable development. Millersville University is located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It is a state university of about 8,000 students. And Lancaster, Pennsylvania is ranked 50th on the Sustainable Development Solutions Network's list of U.S. cities for performance toward achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. We're doing well with respect to reducing inequalities, but locally we still have high poverty rates at about 25% in the city, and we could be doing better in the areas of quality education and gender equality, as well as renewable energy and climate change. At Millersville University, we have a new building on campus. It's our Zero Energy Lombardo Welcome Center. And we've been thinking about ways to try and leverage this building to raise awareness of the Sustainable Development Goals. It is our admissions building, and as I said, a zero energy building, which means that it generates all the energy that it needs to run. In fact, it generated about 75% more energy than it used during its first year. And so far this year, about 9 months in, we've made about twice as much energy as we've used through the building, making it one of the highest performing buildings in the country from an energy standpoint, and only one of about 120 in North America to be certified as zero energy. When thinking, as I said, about ways to leverage the building to raise awareness of the Sustainable Development Goals, and one of the ones that we're particularly proud of is called the Positive Energy Fund. This fund takes cost savings associated with the surplus energy that the building is making and puts it into a fund as micro grants for our students to do community projects centered around the Sustainable Development Goals. Last year, we awarded $10,000 for community sustainable development projects through this Positive Energy Fund. Those projects focused on everything from increasing climate resiliency through installing green infrastructure projects, as well as installing native and organic gardens in local urban schools and using them for educational purposes, holding education and poverty conferences that involve the local community, and raising awareness about various sustainability projects using new forms of micromedia content development. In addition to the Positive Energy Fund, we've also installed touchscreen dashboards in the lobby of the Lombardo Welcome Center that ask all of our prospective and current students a simple but engaging question: what global problem will you solve? When students click on that icon on the touchscreen dashboard, it brings up a list of our majors organized according to the Sustainable Development Goals. Not only does this help to raise awareness of the Sustainable Development Goals, but it gives students a different way of thinking about the careers that they might pursue and how those careers can help us in the world achieve the global goals. These are just a few examples of the work that we're doing at Millersville University to advance the Sustainable Development Goals, and there is more that we'd like to share, and hopefully we'll have the opportunity to meet all of you and to do that in the future. Thanks again, and best wishes for the conference.